uzosizakala ngani. This is Baba Dr. Baba Sisi Mojabula mfana Mhleje Khehle Mlungu. Ake sibonge i-power of social media. Social media, if it is used correctly, it gives better results. If i-social media uyisebenzise kahle ikunika imiphumela emihle. Sinabantu abaningi abanama viewership are close to subscribers, are close to 400,000, but they just don't know how to use social media appropriately. Sinomntwana lana esikhulume ngaye uOwen wakazitha. Ngokuzalwa ke usendaweni yaseMaritzburg emakhaya eSkopo. Then ke semuka ke simonitize over a period of a year or something. Some monetizer ese security guard safaka uniform. Some monetizer futhi engasayifaka uniform sathatha isigadi shana sokuthi sesigadi ke siyiphathe indaba yakhe. Njengamanje ke sitheme sithinta igama lakhe lathinteka kahle futhi lathinteka nje kahle kakhulu. Manje icompany edayisa izimoto in Bryanston, Johannesburg imthathile yodayisa khona imoto zaka Hyundai, meaning that abantu abasafuna ukuthi babe nokumthinta befuna ukuzwa ukuthi baba udokotela uthi usuphethe uline wemoto, uline omhlophe lo line lo, uline ama i10 umi kanjani, uline i20 umi kanjani, uline amabhasi umi kanjani. Yabo kunezinto ozokwazi ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi uzithole kuyena uOwen directly. Then uzofuna ukukunika nenumber ozomthinta khona ubhale ukuthi Hyundai, ungabhali into nje uthi Owen Hyundai, then nansi number it is 0. Ngicela ubhale phansi, please write it down, this number, because you people will be calling me for this number, and hence I'm not going to entertain it. Owen Zita in Bryanston, where he sells cars. The number is 063 711 0445. I repeat, 063 711 0445. Kunabantu abase Johannesburg, Rustenburg, abantu abalisela imbombo indlela yabo idlule eJohannesburg vese. Those people, they should not be hiking. They just the stop hiking now. You got an opportunity to call Owen umtshela ukuthi hayibo ndoda ngizokuthiwa unempahla lapha ene-installment ezinga less than 4,000. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngingagijima ngalo line ngoba ngathi uline wangempela, and then kune-installment ozokwazi ukuthi nawe ungakwazi ukuzi-afford rather than ukuthi uhike ulehla uhike ukhuphuka. Ake sibone ukuthi kwenzekani, abantu bayadrive yini, abantu bazodrive yini. Owen Zita, wherever you are, Hyundai SA, wow, thank you very much. You are doing good. You are doing good by employing our youth. Thank you very much. We need to talk more, but we don't know how to talk more. But Hyundai, wherever you are, as long as it's Hyundai in SA, thank you very much for taking the charge. And then thatha futhi abantu abamnyama babeke kulama position nothi nemqashela ukuthi azocleana azokwenza